Hey developers, I hope you're doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Windows Clipboard. So you may have been in a situation where you want to copy multiple code snippets. For example, I want to copy this code snippet and try this code snippet, but if it doesn't work, I want to come back again to Stack Overflow and try another solution. But you can copy multiple code snippets at the same time and then try each of them in the code. So for that, first you have to press Windows V on your keyboard and you will see a pop-up like this. Just turn on the Windows Clipboard history and then you can copy anything. So let's copy this code snippet by pressing Ctrl C, and then let's copy another code snippet. Let's copy this code snippet by pressing Ctrl C again. So now I can go back to my code and instead of pressing Ctrl V, I can press Windows V. And then you can see I have both of these solutions. So let's try this one. And if it doesn't work, I want to paste another one. So let's comment this code and then I can paste the second one as well. So as you can see, I have pasted both of these code snippets. So by using this method, you can copy and paste anything like images, like logos, anything you want. So this was the quick tip I wanted to show you. I hope this would be helpful and make you more productive during programming. To get more tips and tricks like that, just subscribe to my channel and follow me on LinkedIn.